Welcome to the Hi YouTube channel. Today, we are thrilled to take you on an immersive journey through the captivating halls of the Hamilton Museum of Steam and Technology in Ontario. Buckle up as we delve into the rich history and ingenious engineering that shaped the industrial landscape of Hamilton and beyond. Situated on the site of the 1859 Hamilton Waterworks Complex, also known as the Steam Museum, this National Historic Site is recognized as a civil and power engineering landmark. Our adventure begins with a step back in time to witness the social and mechanical life of Canada's early industrial revolution. As we step through the museum's grand entrance, housed in a 150-year-old waterworks, the air is thick with anticipation and echoes of a bygone era. Towering above us are the majestic relics of steam power, two massive steam-powered beam engines, each standing at 45 feet high and weighing 70 tons. These behemoths of industry, perhaps the oldest surviving Canadian-built engines, pumped water in Hamilton from 1859 to 1910. With the guidance of knowledgeable museum staff, we peer beneath the surface to uncover the inner workings of these marvels. From the rhythmic chug-chug of the pistons to the hiss of escaping steam, every sight and sound serves as a window into the past, offering a glimpse of a time when steam power ruled the world. But the museum is more than just a showcase of machinery, it's a living tribute to the men and women who toiled tirelessly to harness the power of steam. Through interactive displays and immersive exhibits, we gain a newfound appreciation for the ingenuity and perseverance that drove the Industrial Revolution forward.
people are that interested in this. These are the only ones we have in the facility that run on Steam still. So that's something.
That's cool.
Go about your day. I'll let you know when they're ready.
Okay.
It's gonna take a minute. We'll keep our fingers away. Then we'll break a finger off, right? Keep our fingers away. Pretty cool. And this is similar, if you've already been upstairs, this is very similar to what we have upstairs, where it has this cylinder on one side with a piston inside.
I got a sticky piston.
Is it the sticky piston? I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna say we have succeeded. Time to get going here. Just give that a little bit of a spin. There we go. All right. It's a steam engine.
Wow.
Look at it go. I know what you're all thinking. You're thinking, yeah, that pick to be useful. Then yes, we can. Here we go. That's right.
Oh, yeah.
A few hours, we will get through this toothpick. It does happen. We don't really sharpen the blade, so mostly just. We do actually. You can see this toothpick is blunted. We have cut through. This kind of high quality entertainment, I'll say that. And if I had another toothpick, I could put it there. And that would probably just stop the whole engine because it's only got enough power to do like one thing. You can see it's already getting kind of tired. My engine's like a child, right? As soon as it has chores to do, it basically has no oil. If you take away, you say, okay, you don't have to do any more work. It has boundless energy. It never stops. You say, I'm gonna go outside and off steam right here. All this does is take the energy from our steam engine and split it to these different machines that drill. And so, you know, if you wanted to put something there, we could drill through it. This is a reciprocating saw, and it saws through my toothpick. Yeah, that's a reciprocating saw.
Tour draws to a close, we emerge from the museum enriched with knowledge and inspired by the spirit of innovation that continues to shape our world today. Join us next time as we uncover more hidden treasures and untold stories on the Heyday YouTube channel. Until then, keep exploring and never stop seeking adventure.